Hey everyone, Jason here. Welcome to my knot channel. In this video, we're going to look at how to tie two easy paracord bracelets. They are the Cobra Weave and the King Cobra bracelets. Let's start with the standard Cobra Weave. To begin, tie a cow's hitch to one end of your buckle. Then pass the working ends of paracord down through the top of the other side of your buckle. From there, take the left cord and pass it across the top of the core strands. Now take your right cord and pass it over the left cord and then under the core strands on its way up through the left loop on the other side, and then cinch up the knot. Now do the same pattern with the other side by passing the right cord across the core, followed by the left crossing over and then going up through the loop on the right side. Now follow this weaving pattern down the length of the bracelet. When you get to the end, just trim away the excess paracord and then melt and squish the ends flat. And that's the Cobra Weave Paracord Bracelet. Now let's look at the King Cobra Paracord Bracelet. We tie the King Cobra Weave around an existing Cobra bracelet, and fortunately, we just finished one. Begin by passing the ends of your paracord through the top of your buckle, and then loop over the buckle. Pull your ends through the loop so it looks like this example. Now we simply tie a Cobra Weave over the existing Cobra bracelet by passing the left cord over and across the top of the core Cobra bracelet. Take your right cord and pass it over the left cord and then under the core Cobra bracelet on its way through the left loop on the other side, and then cinch up the knot. The Cobra Weave pattern is the same as we've done throughout this video, so continue the weaving pattern down the length of the bracelet. When you get to the end, just trim away the excess paracord and then melt and squish the ends flat. And that's it. That's the King Cobra Paracord Bracelet. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.